Most beginners fail at number in Python. Don't be one of them. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, modulus, exponentiation, absolute value, round number, round to specific decimal places, fluoridation, scaling division, square root, calculate P, round to decrease, generate random number, generate random integer, choose random elements. This was Python cheat sheet 2, number and math. In part 3, Strange will completely check how you think about Python. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe now. Which operation here confused you the most?